We are pleased to present you today a South Asian curry.
Homemade.
It's a homemade green peas curry recipe. We experienced this in a South Indian restaurant, so we tried it and found it tasty. And we changed ingredients a little bit so that it become healthy, avoid unhealthy ingredients. And we are making this recipe for you for your good health today. These are the ingredients. Main ingredient is beans. This is a tropical vegetable but available everywhere now in supermarkets. Spices, turmeric powder, jeera, seeds, ginger and garlic paste, rock salt. You can use normal salt instead or sea salt. Rock salt is a healthy variety. Then we have sliced onions, chopped garlic, bit of green chili cut, and that's the cut beans. Cut beans into small pieces. Cutting beans. Place a saucepan on the stove. We use mustard oil. Can use canola oil, olive oil, corn oil, or even cooking oil. Now add sliced onions, jeera seeds at first and stir so that jeera seeds get roasted. Now add onion. Add jeera powder 1 teaspoon. Add chopped garlic. Stir the mixture. That's the mixture getting cooked. Add cut beans. Stir. Stir. Add green chili. 2 pieces of green chili. Add water. Add a half teaspoon of
Yellow powder.
turmeric powder. Stir. Cover for 10 to 15 minutes. Add ginger and garlic paste 1 teaspoon. Mix the mix. Now add pinch of salt. Salt you can add to your taste and mix.
It's ready, I will tell you.
Now cover. After about 5 minutes the cooking is completed.
10 minutes.
Yeah, it is 10 minutes. Cooking was completed and now it looks like this.
Put in my
That's the completed dish. Looks healthy, colorful, tasty. Try it today. Enjoy with your family. Thank you for watching. See you next time.